Let's integrate our toggle to do mutation into our code. Let's go into our to do item. Let's import GraphQL from GraphQL tag, and let's define our toggle to do mutation. Similar to previous steps, we just copy paste from GraphQL. Now, what we need to do, we need to implement handle to do toggle function. Let's call this $apollo mutate. We will pass our mutation as toggle to do. We pass our variables. It will be an ID from to do ID, and it will be is completed. That will get from is completed property of our to do. Now what we need to do, we need to update our cache. We'll get data, we'll destructure update to do's. Let's check if we have a result. And here we need to do another check. We'll check that our type is private, similar that we did with the add to do. Now we get our data from the cache. We get our toggled to do by looking in our to do cache, to do's cache, and comparing IDs. Now let's write to our cache the data. Now what we need to change is our toggle to do is completed flag to be not of to do is completed. Let's save that. And we have our toggle to do functionality working. But we have a problem. We have lag here, right? When we click on our code is completed, we're waiting for our mutation to return from with affected rows from the server, and that's why we're getting this lag. That's why we want to implement optimistic response, assuming that our mutation will work anyways. So we won't be waiting for our result from the server. We will assume we get the response. To do so, what we need to add to our mutate method configuration object, we need to add optimistic response that will have a type name mutation. The structure will be update to do's, type name will be to do's, and ID to do ID is completed. We will switch the flag to be not of to do is completed, and affected rows as 1. So what will happen now? Everything is working without the lag immediately.